Did you know the US government once watched 400 men slowly die just to see what would happen? In 1932, the Public Health Service told 399 black men in Alabama they had bad blood. They promised free health care. It was all a lie. These men had syphilis. But instead of treating them, doctors decided to study what happens when the disease goes untreated. For 40 years, researchers watched as men went blind, lost their minds, died in agony. They performed spinal taps without painkillers, calling it special free treatment. When penicillin was discovered in the 1940s, it could cure syphilis completely. The doctors knew this. They let the men die anyway. Researchers actively blocked patients from getting real treatment elsewhere. They manipulated families, bribed them with free meals and burial insurance. Even the Nazis cited this study to justify their own medical experiments. It took a whistleblower in 1972 to finally expose the truth. 4 decades of deliberate medical torture, all in the name of science.